In this video, you will learn how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. This process will help you manage your customer payments effectively while maintaining accurate. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and enter the Zoho Books URL. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the dashboard, which displays various financial metrics. And next, locate the Customers option in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Click on Customers to access the list of all your clients. This will direct you to a page where you can view and manage customer-related information. After that, find and click on the specific customer for whom you want to add an advance payment. This will bring up the customer's details, including their transaction history and contact information. Once the customer details are displayed, look for the new transaction button, usually found at the top right of the customer profile. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu of transactions options. From the drop-down menu, select customer payment. This choice will direct you to a new page designed specifically for recording customer payments. Now, click on the record payment option, which is typically highlighted or easily visible. This action will open a form where you can enter the details of the payment. Next, in the customer name field, you will see the customer's name already populated. Ensure this is correct for the payment you are processing. Then, move to the amount received field. Enter the amount of the advance payment you have received from the customer. This is crucial for accurate bookkeeping. Proceed by selecting the payment date. Click on the calendar icon to choose the date when the payment was made. This date will be important for your financial records. After selecting the payment date, find the payment shesh field. Enter any reference number associated with this payment, which can help in tracking transactions later. Next, you will need to specify the payment mode. Click on the drop-down menu and select the appropriate method of payment, such as bank transfer or credit card. Finally, ensure all information is correct and click on the Save as Paid button to complete the process. This will record the advance payment in the system and update your financial records accordingly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.